In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Samsung Tab S6 Lite to monitor. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna present two ways to use the Samsung Tab S6 Lite while connected to a monitor. The difficulty with doing this is that the main method that people use, where you plug one end of a cable into the monitor and then the other one into the S6 Lite, does not work for this particular tablet model. This is because the USB port available on the S6 Lite is not capable of being connected to a monitor. So if you try to establish this connection through an HDMI to USB-C cable, for example, nothing will happen. It won't be able to transfer the necessary data between the cable to use it in conjunction with the monitor. So for this, you have to use alternative methods. The first one is going to be through Smart View. So if you swipe down from the top and you find Smart View available on your S6 Lite, this is going to be the most convenient way to use it in conjunction with your monitor or TV. When you go into Smart View, as long as the S6 Lite and the TV or monitor are both on the same Wi-Fi network, it should appear over here. Not all monitors will support this technology, so keep that in mind. But if you see your monitor here, just select it from the list and this will automatically allow you to use it in conjunction with that particular monitor. Now, if you don't have Smart View or your monitor is not appearing on the list, then what you can try instead is second screen. As the name suggests, you can use this in conjunction with a monitor to essentially expand your view. So you go into second screen, your tablet name is going to be listed here. Usually it is going to be something like S6 Lite. And then if you press Windows plus K on a compatible PC, you will see Miracast appear. So press Windows plus K on your keyboard. This will open this window here, Cast, also known as Miracast, and on available displays, you should see the Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. If you choose it from here, it will work in conjunction with your PC or laptop. But as I've said before, your specific monitor needs to support this technology, and there is no guarantee that it works. Because of the lack of support for a cable or wired connection, the process can be quite tricky, but it is still doable. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Samsung Tab S6 Lite to monitor. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.